Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Zero number 25D. This is an L-shaped dark bronze anodized interlocking hook strip. They call it an angle. It certainly is an angle, you can see. An L angle. We would call it a L-shaped hook strip because this is used with interlocking thresholds. Thresholds that have a specific lip to them that is intended for the hook strip to either hook over like this or to hook over like this. Okay, this is the L style. This L style would be mounted on the face of the door, on the pull side of the door, such that the lip made contact right to the top of the L. The advantage of interlocking weather stripping, or thresholds in particular, or in this case, is that they make a very positive mechanical seal for the door when you're weather stripping the door. The other kind is called a J hook. It looks like the letter J when you turn it on its end, but when you lay it down flat, it's nailed to the bottom of the door or into a mortise that's been created in a door to serve the same purpose of the L style or the L-shaped hook strip. There's an image below this video showing how it's installed, and quite frankly, for every 1,000 or maybe for every 10,000 J-style hooks we sell, we'll sell one L hook. Not very common. Not sure exactly why. I would not prefer it for two reasons. It's very obvious because it's surface mounted generally, exclusively. The other reason I don't like it is that the barrier is all the way on, practically on the inside part of the door. At least with the J hook style, your seal is underneath the door further towards the exterior is the concept. I personally wouldn't choose one of these, but they're not uncommon at all. Overall height of the 25 is 1 inch. Overall depth, 3/8 of an inch. The material thickness is specified at .062, so it's a 1/16 of an inch thick. Available in A finish, which would be a clear anodized aluminum from Zero, the D finish, dark bronze anodized, and also a G finish, which would be gold anodized. Available from Zero and in our site in all the common lengths. It would be available from 2 foot to 8 foot. You can get longer lengths too, that's not a problem. It's not a problem, although it's costly to ship things longer than 8 foot. If you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces, and simply indicate in the comment field what length you'd like for us to cut the material back to. Now the reasoning is this: if you had to take this 36-inch piece and cut it down to say 32-inch, you'd eliminate that slotted hole that's here. The next one's all the way over here. And speaking of that slotted hole, screws are included in a complimentary finish. If you ordered a custom length, we would locate that first slotted hole at the proper distance from the edge and the proper center to center as well. The reasoning is it's really handy to have a slotted hole, well, because, well, first of all, they're difficult to drill as a slotted hole. Second, certainly not every sill is plumb or every threshold is level. Not every door is perfectly square and plumb. Those slotted holes will allow you a small amount of adjustment to get it exactly on the door so that it makes the proper seal. Not too little, which is akin to not having it there at all, and not too much, preventing the door from operating correctly. Also helps compensate for a misdrilled hole, meaning that when you're pre-drilling the holes for the screws, that drill bit has a tendency to walk a little bit before it pierces into the wood or steel, aluminum, fiberglass, bronze, stainless, if you've not used a center punch. So it's handy to have those slotted holes. The point is, if you ordered a custom length, we'll give you the proper slotted hole at the proper distance from the edge and the proper center to center as well. The name Zero is quite synonymous with weather stripping, but as far as I'm concerned, they're synonymous with very unique, incredibly well engineered and thought out solutions to weather stripping problems. If you have more than an occasional need for weather stripping, I strongly urge you to click on the link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the full line Zero catalog and review all things Zero weather stripping related. If you have any questions on the Zero 25D, L style hook strip or L angle, or any other zero product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.